Are you choosing RFID solutions based solely on price? Think again. As RFID technology gains traction in various industries, understanding its lifecycle management is crucial. This ensures not just functionality but long-term reliability. RFID Module Lifecycle Management, or Product Lifecycle, PLC, focuses on how long a system can operate efficiently. In industries like healthcare and manufacturing, systems can last over a decade. If key components are discontinued, the entire setup can unravel. Imagine this. High costs come with compliance. Replacing essential components may need recertification, possibly costing more than the original purchase. Maintenance becomes a nightmare when different batches use varied components. Discontinuation can lead to project delays, penalties, or even loss of customers. Mature enterprises are now asking deeper questions during sourcing discussions. They want to know the type of MCU, IC used and the PLC plan behind it. Can suppliers guarantee up to 10 years of supply? What if a main chip is discontinued? Customers need assurance for long-term reliability. So how can suppliers assure lifecycle management? They can choose long-life components and create designs compatible with alternative parts for quick replacements. In-house research and development allow immediate substitutions if critical components are phased out. A promise of 8 to 10 years of product availability boosts customer confidence. Balancing cost and risk is key. Cheaper components might save money up front but could escalate operational costs later. Warranty terms and service-level agreements impact total cost of ownership directly. Enterprises should consider long-term ROI rather than just initial costs. The RFID market is booming, projected to exceed $40 billion by 2030, especially in healthcare and manufacturing. Suppliers failing to offer long-term guarantees risk exclusion from international tenders. Before implementing an RFID system, enterprises should check if the datasheet mentions the MCU, IC type and lifecycle plan, if an EOL notice period exists, and if alternative components are available. Firmware updates and long-term agreements matter too. In conclusion, RFID module lifecycle management transcends technicalities. It's a fundamental business decision. Long-term supply commitments directly affect ROI and stability. Hence, companies must prioritize lifecycle management as much as price and functionality. Ready to upgrade your RFID systems? Contact us for comprehensive RFID modules and integration support to enhance your project development and deployment strategies.